Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, on today's tutorial I'll be doing another Gele tutorial for you guys, but this style is V fan Gele. So I'll be creating V first, then the upper side will be fan. So just look at what I'm doing carefully guys. This Gele is very easy. So at first I just created 5 pleats there. Now I'm adjusting it, so now I'll be going back with the other hand. Now I'll be creating 5 pleats there also. So I'm still creating my plate. So guys, for this Gele tutorial is 50-50 ratio. 50-50 ratio. So don't mind it if the other side hand will not reach down, because you will be using office pen to pin it down there, and you'll be going back with the other hand. You'll be placing it on top of it, so don't mind it there. So just look at what I'm doing guys. This Gele is very easy. It's not something that is hard. It's something simple. So just look at what I do there. Now I place it on top of it. Now I'll be creating pleats. You can create as much pleat as you want. So now after creating the pleats, I'll be forming my fan little by little there. Now so I'm forming my fan now. So after that, I'll be extending the pleats that I created there. I'll be extending the pleats. So I'm creating fan now. I'm still creating it. Now I'm extending the pleats I created. So guys, just you are tying this Gele, you just have to take your time. Don't be in a hurry to tie it. Just be patient, and if you see that you are not getting it, with time you will get it guys. With time, because it's not a day job. Little by little, don't give up. Little by little you will get it. So now I'll be using office pen to pin it down there, because I'll be creating a little rose there with the smaller hand that is remaining there. So I'll be creating a little rose there. So I'm using office pen to pin it down there. So I'll be creating a little rose there now. So I'm very sorry, I did not know my phone camera is not recording the rose that I created there. I'm very sorry about that. So I just created a little rose with the other smaller hand that is remaining there. So that is it guys. That is all about the tutorial. This is the finished look. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on my Instagram page at glambeauty30. Bye. Love you guys. Bye.